guys, welcome back to the FabuPRO online course. If you are new to this channel, welcome. We are doing a free online course for eyelash extensions. I think I've said this so many times, but it's for real. It's free. Big shout out to those who have been watching us from day one. Thank you guys so much for joining the FabuPRO exclusive Facebook group. It has been so nice to see you guys interacting and showing us your progress. We are so proud of you guys. It's been a very, very nice experience. We've been getting lots of questions like, hey, are we gonna get certified? Yes, you absolutely are. Yes, you guys are definitely going to be receiving certificates. Now, before you do, there is going to be a series of tests. They are going to be a little hard, but it's only because we want to produce the best of the best FABU lash artists. Is there going to be any kits? Yes, we will be restocking February 1st, 2019. Where can I join the Facebook online group? We're going to leave the link in the description box for you, so go ahead and check that out. How can I get notified when you guys post? You have to click the bell button. Just remember, we will be posting every Thursday at 6 p.m. Central Time. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the video. Welcome back to the FabuPRO online course. So in this session, we will be talking about the sponge. Now, I know we talked about the sponge in the last session, but in this session, we will be talking about 3D volumes. You will need the following materials: mini curved, chiquiticas, tape, crystal, a sponge, FABU drizzled glue, mascara wand, seat curl .12 and 15 millimeters, Russian volume 3D in size 15 millimeters. We are going to begin with the Russian volume set. I'm going to grab 2 strips from the 15 millimeter in seat curl 3D fans. I'm going to shake up the glue and add 1 drop of glue. And then we just want to do the same thing that we have been doing in the past. I have already started the sponge and I have already added the classic individual. Just remember that when we pick up the volumes, we're picking them up from the bottom, placing them on the strip, and picking them up from the top. We are dipping just the tip of the extension right at the center of the dot of glue, and we are going to place it either on top or from the bottom. We are going to separate, grab the extension, dip it into the glue, and apply it right on top. Now with the volumes, you can also apply them from the bottom. So you just apply it like this, right under. You want to make sure that you're moving from side to side, just like the hybrid said, so that you are not sticking any extensions or lashes together. You want to make sure you allow the extensions to dry before you work in that section. If any lashes come off, it's totally fine as long as it's not all of them. Now that you are done and you have allowed your extensions to dry, you want to just brush them. This just helps you know that you did a good job and the placement was good and the way you attached them was also good. If one or two fall, it's completely fine as long as they're not all falling off. And that is our volume set. Alright, so as you can see, this is a classic set and it's very simple. Moving on to the hybrid set, you can see that it is a little bit more full since half of the extensions are filled with volumes. And then moving on to the volumes, you can see that there's 3 times the amount of extensions due to the fact that they are 3D volumes. So you can see right here that it goes from a more natural look to a more voluminous look. What did you think about this session? Was working with classics easier or working with volumes easier? Now personally, I think that working with the 3Ds is much easier, especially at the beginning. Now you can go to our Facebook group and let us know how you did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you guys are notified whenever we post another video.